Question 5. P.S. A jar contains 20 marbles. 8 are red, 5 are blue, and the rest are yellow. If 2 marbles are to be selected at random from the jar, one at a time without being replaced, what is the probability that the first marble selected will be red and the second marble selected will be blue? Solution: without a replacement. This means the first selection has not been replaced by another identical item before the second selection. We have to find the probability that the first marble selected will be red and the second marble selected will be blue if 2 marbles are selected at random from the jar containing 20 marbles, one at a time without being replaced. Of the 20 marbles, 8 are red, 5 are blue, and the rest are yellow. Note: change in the denominator on the second calculation because this is a without replacement question. Now, this is an AND question, so we have to find the product of the 2 probabilities. Probability that the first marble selected will be red. We can choose 1 marble out of the 8 red marbles in 8 choose 1 ways, and the total possible selections of the first marble is 20 choose 1. Therefore, the probability is 8 choose 1 over 20 choose 1, which is equal to 8 over 20, which is equal to 2 over 5. Probability that the second marble selected will be blue. We can choose 1 marble out of the 5 blue marbles in 5 choose 1 ways, and the total possible selections of the second marble is 19 choose 1. Therefore, the probability is 5 choose 1 over 19 choose 1, which is equal to 5 over 19. Thus, the probability is 2 over 5 times 5 over 19, which is equal to 2 over 19. D is the correct answer. Answer: D.